Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to replace this glass. The first step is to remove the glazing bead. I've already reordered new glazing bead with my piece of glass, so if I damage it, not a big deal. Now follow the same steps removing the other 3 pieces of glazing bead. I've taken all 4 pieces of the glazing bead off. I can now break the seal between the glass and the frame. I can use my Easy deglazer to get between the frame and the glass and slowly work my way back and forth breaking the seal. Or I can use my deglazing knife and do the same thing. This works especially well in the corners. One tip is spray it with soapy water, and that will act as a lubricant when you're breaking the seal. When I'm about 3/4 of the way through, I'm going to put on my cut-resistant jacket, gloves, and safety glasses. Well, I'm about 3/4 of the way through. I've put on my PPE, and I'm just about finished breaking the seal between the glass and the frame. The glass is now free from the frame. I'm going to set it off to the side out of the way. I'm going to start cleaning the glazing bed, including these big globs of silicone, all the glazing blocks, before I can apply fresh silicone. I've cleaned off all the big globs of silicone, including the glazing blocks. A thin bead of silicone can be left behind because the fresh silicone will stick to it. If you're not sure which silicone to use, refer to the product approval and it will be described there. When applying your appropriate sealant, apply about a 3/8 inch nominal bead all the way around the perimeter of the glazing bed. I've applied silicone to the frame and I need to place glazing blocks on the bottom to separate the aluminum from the glass. I've applied the silicone to the frame and the glass is ready to be inserted. After inserting the glass, press on the perimeter of the piece of glass to ensure adhesion all the way around. You can either use the old glazing blocks or new ones that will separate the glass from the frame. This will also keep the glass centered. Depending on the piece of glass, you might need multiple glazing blocks per side. Here's the new glazing bead. The weather stripping will be pressed against the glass and the 2 legs will snap into the frame. For this window, I'll have to insert the top and bottom glazing beads first, and then the sides. Using my rubber mallet, I can snap it into the frame. To recap, I've now showed you the step-by-step process on how to reglaze a piece of glass. I'm Patrick Jamison, and thanks for watching.